Hey y'all, and welcome to Sheena's World. Okay, so yes, I'm a little late on the video, but I'm making a goulash today, y'all. I've already seasoned my meat. As y'all can see, I got red bell peppers, green bell peppers. I put garlic, onion, Italian seasonings, which I put Italian seasonings in almost all my ground beef that I could. It adds a nice touch to it, y'all, trust me. Sorry for the background noise. I have my air going, my dryer. So just forgive me. Anyways, and there is my noodles boiling. So I wanted to do this video, y'all. I know I've been slacking. Please forgive me, my bad. Y'all know life and the curveballs it throws at us. But oh yeah, and I used this in my noodle water. Just add a bit of flavor. But yeah, so hold on. And y'all, I don't have a tripod. My tripod broke. And my camera, ooh, excuse me, sorry y'all, I don't want to make y'all dizzy. And somebody stole my camera and stole my son's hoverboard. Hello, you know who you are with your sorry self. Stealing people, kids' toys. Damn, ridiculous. Anyways, so yeah. The meat is doing its thing. Ooh, it's up close. Okay, the meat's doing its thing, y'all. Like I said, I added, these are the seasons I added. Oh, and I added some oregano as well, just a tad, not a lot. Let me see. Alright. Yeah, I'm making a goulash. First time making a goulash. Because I usually make spaghetti, but I ain't have no spaghetti noodles. And I'm seasoning it just like I would do my spaghetti. But the only difference is I don't add the bell peppers in my spaghetti. Sometimes I'll add the green bell peppers, but yeah, not really. Not all the time, excuse me, not all the time. But this is about done. Ooh, this is hard, y'all. Hey, shout out to all the content creators. Okay, because we make this look easy and it's not. But anyways, okay, y'all. So I'm gonna let that finish cooking. Let that finish boiling. And I'll be back with y'all. Alright. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I strained my noodles and added butter. Now I'm about to go ahead and add a bit of seasonings to my noodles with that butter and mix it up a bit. Turn this off. Okay, sorry y'all. No, I'm all over the place. Okay, garlic powder. And it's a lot of noodles. It might not look like it, but it is. I have to get another tripod ASAP. I know, don't look at the wall. Go on and look at it. I know. I'm back in the hood, y'all. Trust me, I don't like it. I'm be getting up out of here soon. This is Italian seasonings. I feel like the Lord brought me here to, I don't know why. I'm still wondering. Hey, things happen, okay? But anyways, okay, so that's in there. I'm trying to do this for y'all, sorry. Camera. Okay, it's working out. Like I said, it's a lot of noodles, so my bad. Okay. Alright, and that's that. So I need to strain the meat. And y'all, I'm gonna have to be right back with y'all. I'll be back. Alright. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So now I'm about to add the ragu. Oh Lord. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna do this. And usually I would warm the sauce up separately and have that simmering for a bit, but I'm hungry and I'm doing this the quick way. Oh, and another tip, y'all, that I learned from the Food Network channel. Save some of your noodle water. let this simmer and stuff, and I'll be back with y'all. And no, like, I wish I had corn, y'all. I'm telling you, y'all know that saying, what is it, sugar, no Kool-Aid, jelly, no peanut butter. It's one of them type situations right now. Look, it already done started simmering, which is good. But anyway, so yeah, this is gonna be goulash and homemade garlic bread, because I didn't even pick up no garlic bread from the grocery store. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Let me let y'all know something. I just tried something new and added a little bit of smoked paprika, since it is goulash and not just plain spaghetti that I'm making. But anyways, so I'm using these flaky Grand's biscuits to do my homemade garlic bread. And hold on, well, let me set this up. Just hold on, y'all. Okay, there is my garlic mixture. I put parsley, butter, of course, and a lot of garlic powder. Okay. But anyway, so I'm about to go ahead and put this in the pan and bake it, and I'll show y'all the finished result. Let me tell y'all a secret to these, to make your biscuits look restaurant perfect. Okay, let me just show y'all. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so here's my biscuits, and what I did, I cracked 2 eggs. Okay, and I'm about to brush these on the top of the biscuits as so. And please don't say nothing about my brush. If y'all could kindly buy me a new set, baby, and cash at me some money, okay? Support the cause. Anyways, this is how you get fresh restaurant style. I like to say restaurant style looking biscuits, okay? Y'all will see when they come out. But anyways, so yeah, you put your egg wash on your biscuits before you put them in the oven, and they're gonna come out the perfect brown on top. Y'all gonna see. Okay, in there. So this is hard to do with one hand, but there you go. And I have my oven at 350. Sorry if I'm moving fast. I'm hungry and ready for this to get done. Okay, and in it goes, and I'm gonna clean that. Don't worry about it. And this is my butter that I made. So once the biscuits is done, I'm gonna brush that on top. Let me go ahead and clean this, and yeah, I'll be back with y'all. All right. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And so here's the biscuits. See how they came out golden brown? All right, so let me put this garlic stuff on it. And this was a brand new brush, y'all. Please, you know, cut me some slack here. It was brand new. I've been using it to barbecue with and do what I'm doing now. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so yeah. And this is the finished product. So this and the goulash, and I tasted it, and it came out really, really good. But I'm gonna plate it up for y'all. I got clean that up and stuff. But I'll be back with y'all once I plate it. All right. All right, y'all. Here is the finished product. Y'all, it needs a veggie with it. Like, it's just, the plate look bare, don't it, y'all? I wish I had corn. Oh, Lord. Anyways, I don't feel like going to the grocery store. But here's the finished product. And I'm sitting here debating. Y'all, should I do a mukbang for y'all? I should. Okay, I'm going to do a mukbang for y'all. My whole setup is differently. It's like I say, I'm starting back from the bottom. And I'm here. Okay? But I'm still here. Okay? Anyways, yes, here's the finished product. And this is my first time making goulash, because I usually make spaghetti. And so yeah, I know it turned out good anyways, because everything I cook turns out great. Okay, But anyways, with that being said, oh yeah, there's the biscuits. But with that being said, y'all, I thank y'all for watching my videos. You know, I do appreciate y'all for taking the time out to watch my content. I feel like I'm still a beginner in this game, but I'm gonna get better with it, and I hope y'all enjoy my videos. But I do want to say this. Now, if y'all watched my whole video, y'all heard what I said earlier about my camera. But listen, especially to them so-called friends that y'all might have, if they're not adding value to your life, cut them off. Cut their tails off at the umbilical cord. They do not deserve it. They do not deserve your time, your good energy. Okay? If they're not putting into you what you try to put into them, if you've helped them in any kind of way or anything in that matter, and all they done was down you, okay, or try to make you feel smaller, and they're from the gutter, cut them off. Sorry, I had to get that out, y'all. There's been a lot of, hey, it's gonna be a lot of venting, okay, because it's a new day, baby. It's a new day. Cut them off. You ain't got to be loyal to nobody but God. Okay? But with that being said, let me get back to this content. And yes, I'm going to be chowing down because I am starving. I'll do a mukbang for y'all. But hey, welcome to Sheena's World. Hey, hit that like button, y'all. And throw a comment in there. Tell me how my food look. Any of you negative Betsies, I don't need you over here. Understand? So you can keep your comment to yourself. If you ain't got nothing positive to say, keep your mouth shut. Alright, y'all. Love y'all. Bye. And welcome to Sheena's World. Bye, y'all.